Welcome back. Today we have the Insta360 X3 screen protector.
Yeah, we're going to be installing the screen protector if you guys happen to pick one up for your 360. So, if you guys wanted to install it, hopefully it's easy to install, right? It's supposed to help you protect. And as you notice, it's got kind of like curved beveled edges. It seems like on the glass. So I don't know if that's actually going to be, hard or anything at all. You can see there as well. So hopefully it's easy to install, right? So let's take a look and see what's in the package itself. Let's bring out the big old blade.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kids, if you watch this, we'll have to. You're gonna have to let your parents do this.
That's right. Yeah, because you don't want to cut yourself.
Nope.
Let your parents do all the opening on the package. So we'll do this unwrapping here real quick.
And be careful. Tell your parents to be careful if they do it.
Yeah, you don't want to cut yourself and have blood all over your screen. The new screen protector, right?
Yeah.
So.
Always people always put like knives in a far direction because they might turn on somehow and they'll fall and they might cut your leg. So keep a safe distance.
Yeah. Okay, so inside the package there's not that much in the package, as you can see here. It's got the I guess these are your instructions here, as you can see here. It actually tells you what's in the package. So it's got the screen protector, alignment tool, protector, of course, the screen cleaning cloth, and film removal stick. So I guess this
what's this?
Just to remove this. So this is actually a protector applicator kit in here.
And then we have this.
In here you got the screen protector here itself.
And then we got this.
And then we have, this is actually the, what would they call that? That was the alignment tool.
Yeah, this circle is for this, so it goes like this. Will we actually be putting it on?
Yeah, but I have to take that protector off first. But let me show these. Yeah. Let me show everybody. So this is actually the film stick remover. So I don't know, I guess if you mess up, you can remove that. And here is the screen wipes. So yeah, let's, I'm going to go ahead and put this, let's go ahead and put this on here. I'm gonna, so that one it won't get scratched up.
Yeah. So we
make
won't
sure
miss this.
You guys keep everything nice and clean.
Yeah.
So, so I'm going to go ahead and open these up. These packages. As you can see here, let's put that there. And I'll set this to the side here for now. Put the tool there, and this is actually the actual screen protector. So as you can see, oops, it's pretty nice. It's got a black outline all the way around, so it kind of match your Insta360 here, as you can see. And actually, if you can see there, it's got Insta360, which is nice because you have 360 there. See, everybody? Hopefully that catches on the video. That's pretty nice. So that way,
it's pretty good. It's pretty good to use.
Pretty good.
Did you show it to mine?
What's that?
Did you show it to mine?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Hopefully.
So let's open this up, and this is the got a little rip here. The applicator tools.
Kids, always reuse your boxes. I always use them.
Yeah, or recycle them. As far as if you get dust on your screen there when you're applying it, you can use that. And here's a little cloth, and these are the
this is what it looks like.
Yeah, there you go.
And then this is the back, so you know what it is.
All right, yeah, perfect. That way everybody can see it. And now let's go. We have to clean this up really quick, so let me see. It's got a little, I think it's like a little alcohol pad here. So that way you want to remove all your dust that you have in here. So as you can see there, hopefully you guys, I don't know how, hopefully it's easy. It looks easy enough, but you never know. You know how sometimes when you try and do something that's supposed to be easy, it's harder, right?
Will it work like on a lot of videos, like on whatever video you make?
Yeah. So this is actually, you can see it looks like it's got little locks there. So you just set that down like this. Make sure that there's no dust in there, and I don't see no dust.
Me neither.
Oh, I see a little dust. So let's go ahead and use the dust remover sticker here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it from a corner and just kind of drop it like this, and take the little dust that's there, because you don't want to have any dust there.
No.
So, and this, it's got a little, you want to pull this out like this.
On the back.
Yeah, in the back. Correct, yeah. Very nice. Very good. And keep this down. I always keep them facing down.
And always grab it from the corners.
Correct, yes.
Like from the sides.
From the corner. You want to hold that for me?
Yes.
All right.
I'll hold it from the side so it doesn't stick onto me.
And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try to set this line up right from the top here. And then as it's lined up, just kind of drop it down. Push it. As you can see here in the middle like this. And then start going to the sides.
Yep.
And there it is. It's good.
Always make sure your hands are clean before you do that.
Yeah. And once it's sort of, then you can remove that. And as you can see, that the side still needs a little bit. So I think I'm going to just grab this. And yeah, as you can see there, hopefully it catches on the video. I'm pushing all the little air out. Very easy. Yeah, actually, this is fairly easy to do.
Yeah, and it's fun.
Yeah, actually, it's pretty fun. Yeah. Got a couple more bubbles there. So just kind of put a little bit of pressure on them.
Yeah, don't put too much pressure.
Yes, correct. Yeah, you don't want to put too much pressure and crack your glass or something.
Yeah, just put like a medium.
Medium pressure, yeah. So it looks like it's going in there. So it looks like it's got a little bit more to go here. So what I'm doing is just kind of like working this in. You see these bubbles there?
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and push these out to the side here. As you can see, I'm just kind of pushing out this way. I won't take too much time on this video, but just kind of work the bubbles out like this, whether it's one corner and all that. And if you need to, I would get the little corner, just kind of put a little bit of pressure there. You can see, I don't know if the video catches those little bubbles that are there. See how they're going away? So it actually, you know, just push and hold also.
What happens if you don't take those bubbles away?
Nothing will happen. You'll just have little bubbles. But there it goes. They're going away. And same thing here. I'm going to just kind of work them out little by little. I just went away how I worked that bubble. So let's see. Let's power it up now that we have the screen protector there. Yes, again, it's very nice there. You can see. Let's see how sensitive it is. Oh yeah, it's doesn't affect anything, as you can see there. It's still very responsive. Yeah, so that's good. Is everything working good? Loading the videos. Going back. Let's see. Let's go here. Manual. Yeah, it's you can see there. So it's still very responsive.
Do you know if there's any more colors than this?
No, they just come in one. It just comes in one like this. Yeah, but yeah, it was.
Yeah.
So actually, so yeah, very easy to install. So if you guys happen to pick up your Insta360 and order the screen protector kit, very nice. So it's very easy to install.
If you're gonna get these two, I recommend you guys use this video.
Yes, that way you can know how to install this, right?
Yeah, or you can use the instructions.
Yeah. Well, yeah. So once again, I want to thank you guys. Thanks for watching.
Yep.
And
don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Yes.
And give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, we'll really appreciate that. Any thumbs up, and if you can
it really
subscribe,
helps us.
yeah, it helps the channel and help us out a lot. Okay, and if you guys have any comments, leave them below, and then we'll get to you guys.
Put them in the comments down below, and if we can, we'll answer them.
Yeah, we'll try to answer them as quickly as possible.
All
right. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.